In a world where technology is constantly evolving, imagine if you could swap faces in images and videos with just a few clicks. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. Welcome to the future of video editing with Remaker AI Face Swap. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Introduction. Remaker AI is a revolutionary tool that lets you swap faces in images and videos effortlessly. Whether you want to see yourself in your favorite movie star's face or scene or create hilarious images and content, Remaker AI makes it possible. Imagine this, you're having your morning coffee and suddenly, your face swaps with another. Yep, that's the power of Remaker AI. To open the tool, simply click on the description link. Remaker AI has some features for face swap. Let's now dive into how to use it. Face swap. With the face swap feature, you can replace a face in your image with another. To use this, let's click the Face Swap Now button, and you are here. To swap your image, first you need to create your account. Click on the Login or Sign Up button, and click Login with Google. Now upload your original image here. And upload target face here. Then click Swap. And boom. You've got a swap image. Multiple face swap. But what if there's more than one face you want to swap? No problem. With the multiple face swap feature, you can swap as many faces as you want in a single image. To use these features, click on the Multiple Swap Now button. Here upload your multiple face image. Here you can see Remaker AI detect all the faces in the image. Now click the plus button to upload the target face. You can upload different or the same images on all of that. And final click the swap button. And boom! You've got a swap image. Thanks for watching. Remaker AI, where fun meets tech. Get creative, hit like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and share. Don't wait, explore Remaker AI Face Swap now. The future of editing is here.